Hello and welcome student. Today we will start our next topic, that is optics. Optics. Okay, this is a separate unit in our physics in which we have to deal with wave optics and ray optics. These are the two topics which we are going to deal in this topic, optics. Optics basically comprise 17 marks out of 70, or maybe 15 to 17 marks out of 17 our board examination. So it is a very important for us to study all these topic of the optics. So today in this lecture series will be start our introduction to the wave optics. Okay, today we will start what do you mean by this wave optics. So before understanding the wave optics, first we will see what are the syllabus which we are going to cover in this chapter. Is first chapter is Huygens principle, in which we need to study the law of reflection, law of refraction. Second topic is interference of wave. This is the second chapter of this wave optics, in which we will study Young double slit experiment and numerical based on this Young double slit experiment. Third chapter is diffraction of light, and the fourth chapter is polarization of light. The numericals will be asked only in these three chapters, and from here only the derivation will be asked in our board exam. Now we proceed. What do you mean by wave? How will we start this chapter? So first of all, there is a lot of confusion about the light. What do you mean by light? So many confusions are there. Light क्या होती है? So first of all, so Newton proposed Corpuscles theory of light. Corpuscles theory of light means light is a combination of particle. Light is a combination of particle travel in a straight line. Travel in a straight line. तो न्यूटन से बोला कि लाइट छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स हैं और वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल करते हैं. वो कार्पस्कल्स थ्योरी थी न्यूटन से. सो फर्स्ट न्यूटन हैज गिवन द कार्पस्कल्स थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट. देन आफ्टर नेक्स्ट साइंटिस्ट अराइव्ड, दैट इज Huygens principle, and he is the first scientist who proposed the wave nature of light. Wave nature of light. And in his wave nature of light we will study our concept, what we mean by this wave. Okay, लेकिन nobody has believed in this concept of wave nature of light, because it is very difficult for us to determine what do you mean by wave. Wave होता क्या है? Nobody is able to see the wave, nobody can easily able to realize the wave. And one more thing behind that, people are not believing in this Huygens theory, that the first theory is given by Newton, and Newton has a lot of name and fame, so nobody is going to believe about this Huygens principle, who proposed the wave nature of light. Then after, next concept arises of Young double slit experiment. Young double slit experiment, it also proved the wave nature of light. Young double slit experiment, due to Young double slit experiment, the wave nature of light has been proved. Then after, सबसे ज्यादा मतलब बेहतरीन मैक्सवेल is a scientist who made a assumption about the particle nature of light. Maxwell made the assumption about the particle nature of light, and also he said about the wave nature of light. He made assumption about the particle nature of light, and he proposed a theory according to the Maxwell, that light are the electric field and magnetic field vectors oscillating. So due to the electric field vector and magnetic field vector, due to their oscillation, the light will be formed. Due to their oscillation, the light will be formed. So according to the Maxwell, he made an assumption the light are simply the comprises of electric field and magnetic field which are oscillating, and due to the oscillation of electric field and magnetic field, the lights are produced in this manner. According to the Maxwell, suppose this is the electric field vector, this is the magnetic field vector, okay, and this is the third direction. We can say this is the propagation of light C, and this is the magnetic field vector. So according to the Maxwell, this is the way how the lights are traveling. Okay. He also Then Einstein arises, and he said that a state of and the total energy of light instead of being distributed in the form of total energy of light instead of distributed in the form of electric field and magnetic field, they are concentrated in the form of small packets. They are concentrated in the form of small packet, and he gives the idea of photoelectric effect. So all things are just getting crumbled. What do you mean by light? So here our basic object is to study the wave nature of light. Here our basic aim is to study the wave nature of light, and before understanding the wave nature of light, first we will understand how the wave nature of light is different from the particle nature of. Now we will understand what do you mean by the particle and the wave nature of light. Sorry, what do you mean by the particle and what do you mean by the wave? So anything and light shows both particle and wave nature. So before studying this wave nature of light, first you need to understand what do you mean by particle and what do you mean by wave. So particle are things which having a definite velocity and definite position, definite mass, and particle can be counted. Table, stool, chairs, all these are under the category of particle. While the wave has not a physical thing. Wave is not a physical thing. No definite velocity and position. Some kind of pattern that travel. Some kind of pattern is there which travel. So you have already studied in class 11 superposition of wave. You have already studied in class 11 superposition. Suppose this is a pond, and suppose you throw a stone in it. So some kind of pattern which travel, okay, continuously till the edges, okay. So this kind of patterns are regarded as wave. और अच्छे एग्जाम्पल है वेव को समझने के लिए, सपोज वी हैव स्प्रेड सम रूमर्स इन अ व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी. इसे आप एग्जाम में नहीं लिख सकते हैं. सपोज वी हैव स्प्रेड सम रूमर्स इन अ व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी. और ये कोई बात नहीं है, मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है, लेकिन ये धीरे धीरे पूरे कंट्री में स्प्रेड हो गई कोई बात जो कि सच भी नहीं है. तो इट इज समथिंग लाइक वेव. वेव इज समथिंग लाइक दैट. वी कैन रिलेट इट. वेव इज लाइक अ पैटर्न दैट ट्रेवल. देयर इज नो मूवमेंट ऑफ अ मीडियम. There is only a movement of a vibration of a wave. Medium does not travel. Some kind of pattern that travel, due to which we will study the concept of Young double slit experiment. How the pattern of a wave travel, we will study in the Young double slit experiment. How the addition of wave track take place. How the subtraction of wave take place. Addition subtraction of the wave here is not like algebraic addition or subtraction which we had studied in math. They have some different concept. For that we need to understand the superposition of wave, and for understanding the superposition of wave, which we have already studied in class 11. Suppose there are two waves. One wave is having amplitude A1 and other is A2, or one having intensity I1, other I2. So resultant is equal to A1 square A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos phi. This is the kind which we have already studied in class 11. Or resultant intensity is I1 plus I2 plus 2 under root I1 I2 cos phi. This is the way which we have proceeded in class 11. Next, the wave can bend. Suppose कोई चीज सामने रखी है, वेव हमारी ट्रेवल कर रही है, तो अगर पार्टिकल है तो पार्टिकल इससे स्ट्राइक करेगा, लेकिन वेव क्या करेगी, बेंड हो जाएगी और अपना पाथ को चेंज कर लेगी, which we will study in the topic diffraction. This is how we will proceed in this wave. Okay, so first of all we will start our chapter here. What do you mean by first concept which we need to study here is what do you mean by wavefront? So wavefront is nothing. Wavefront is the locus of all the particle of wave vibrating in the same phase. Wavefront is the locus of all the particle of the waves vibrating in a same phase. For example, suppose we having the point source. Suppose we have thrown a stone in a pond. So wave will be originated in the form of circle. Okay. So question can also be asked in the board exam. Suppose we having the point source. So how the wave will be originated? Spherical. Line source. Suppose if we having the line source, then the wave originated will be cylindrical. So locus of all the particle of the wave vibrating in the same phase is known as wavefront, or we can say it is a perpendicular projection of wave. Perpendicular projection of a wave. Perpendicular projection of a wave is also known as wavefront. So the first topic is what do you mean by Huygens principle? So Huygens stated that each point on the surface of primary wavefront act as a source for the secondary wavelet, and these wavelets travel in the form of envelope with the speed of light c. Suppose this is a point source, so these are the wavefront. Okay, these are the primary wavefront. Okay, this is the source. This is the source. These are the primary wavefront. So according to the Huygens principle, each point on the surface of primary wavefront act as a source for the secondary wavelet. These become the source for the secondary wavelet. These primary source on the primary wavefront will act as a source for the secondary wavelet, and these sources in the secondary become the source for the third. So in this way the light will travel. इन दिस वे द लाइट विल ट्रेवल, और धीरे धीरे लाइट क्या हो जाएगी, उसका वेवलेंथ बढ़ते बढ़ते क्या हो जाएगी, वैनिश हो जाएगी, मतलब विजिबल होना बंद हो जाएगी. So this is the theory given by the Huygens, and this is the known as Huygens principle. Some concept you must understand. What do you mean by the path difference? क्लास 11 में पढ़ा है, आपको सबको पढ़ना है. ओके, अच्छा, पार्टिकल को तो हम लोग इन सब चीजों से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर वेव को डिफाइन करने के लिए कोई हमारा डेफिनेट मास, वेलोसिटी, पोजीशन तो होती नहीं है, बेंड कर जाती है. तो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या डिफाइन करने के लिए कुछ टर्म्स का यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि फ्रीक्वेंसी, वेवलेंथ, इन सब चीजों का हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ Huygens प्रिंसिपल वी विल प्रूव व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय द लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन एंड द लॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन.